In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase or decrease the size of the icons on your Windows 10 desktop. So once you install a software program, normally an icon is added here to the desktop. So once you want to open a program, you just click on the icon and the program will load and so on. But you can also here, you can change the actual size of the icons quite simply. So once you're on your desktop, all you have to do is select the right key either on your touchpad or your mouse, click on it, and then this menu will open, and you can see here right at the top view here, it gives you several options. You can change your icons to small, so just click on small, and you can see all the icons here have now been shrunk. So if you have lots and lots of programs on your computer, perhaps the small icons is best suited to you. Again, if I right click on my touchpad, I can select medium, which is what I normally have it on, or again I can select view and select large. As you can see, large doesn't really kind of fit in with the amount of icons I have on my PC, so I'm just going to set it to medium. You can also, again, you right click again, you can also see here it says sort by name, size, item type, and date modified. So you can click on name, and it kind of rearranges the icons in a certain order, usually alphabetical order. So you can see here, down here we go from A, except for the recycle bin, which is always in the top left hand corner. And it goes down in rows in alphabetical order. Again, you can select right click again, and size, so again it kind of rearranges them all in size. So again I'll select item type. So it's really as simple as that. So just remember, select the right key on your touchpad or your mouse, and then just select view from the top, and then you can change your icon size. As simple as that. Thanks for watching.